But one of the things I think I learnt today was a bit more about what other institutions are doing when it regards to traineeships. The sessions were excellent and it gave me an insight into what colleges are doing, for example, but within the networking side of things I've been able to talk to other higher education institutions about what they're doing with traineeships.
The most important thing that I learned is that projects like Key Action 2, strategic partnerships are very important to add some value to widening participation and the impact we can have in our organizations.
So definitely to see how we all cope with the same challenges, how we cope with different way to manage. I think it's really interesting. Networking, definitely, and I think it's good to actually meet the person in reality and to see that they've been doing this and be able to talk about it to them.
I think the opportunity to meet with other professionals in a similar field, to share good practice, particularly the session that I attended upstairs. It was a great opportunity to look at how we can start to develop new ideas for students with disabilities and sharing good practice between institutions. It's an area I particularly want to develop.
For me, it was the second study case when the woman spoke about global learning. I really liked this methodology.
I enjoyed it, I could say more, because it's more interactive and you can actively participate. It's not that listening or watching a PowerPoint presentation. So this is what I really enjoyed.
It's a fruitful discussions during the conference from the morning until now. During the breaks we have the conversation with the other organization participants, so we share the context. For me it's very important to do that, so in the future we can have like a possible partnership between the other organization and working with the Erasmus project as we do in our organization now.
A fantastic, very welcoming. I felt that everyone was very friendly, very open. It's lovely to be in a room with like-minded people. So it's really positive to be here and to speak with other professionals in the field.